All right, welcome back to workshop. We started watching the AI implementation, like the live call that Hormozi does in this workshop. We're getting really towards the end. The information ended. Um, I don't remember if if that was all we did yesterday. Let me think about it. Hmm. Anyway, I'm not sure. Yeah, no, we probably also talked about the B2B SaaS or B2B service, that business that's warm referrals, and how to fix that constraint. What do you do? Was it ads? I don't know. It definitely was not organic content. It definitely had something to price, part of pricing. Pricing was part of it. Getting rid of cost plus pricing, meaning it costs you this much, and then you add this much, and then you charge that much. Cost plus some revenue profit, and then that's what you charge. That's garbage. You charge based on what people are willing to pay. This is value based pricing. Specifically, he was referring to like calculator costs or something like that. Calculator close, calculator pricing, where you base your pricing off the value you bring in to the customer or save the customer. So it will be dynamic. It will change from client to client. So it's dynamic. What would it be? Pricing, sales motion, VSL. I don't remember if there was anything else. Wrapping up the course, it was basically like the constraint is your priority. When you take your inputs, apply them to the constraints, you create you use your leverage to solve a constraint, which starts to create a compounding flywheel, compounding black box, where you can, the black box being the business, you can put the inputs in, and it will begin to output, and then you put the outputs back into the black box, and then it becomes a flywheel like that. All right. There's only one constraint. Then we're talking about setting up the AI. And this stuff you just have to put in the inputs. Okay. I think that was what we did. Business onboarding. So referrals. So you got a sales motion to pricing, calculator pricing, cost plus pricing, garbage, value-based pricing, sell to goal. One constraint at a time. Final reminders, your constraint is your priority. Leverage all resources against constraint. Build compounding vehicles for long-term success. You want to have your customers never leave. That's how you compound. How do you have your clients leave? Not leave. Sticky business. Sticky model. Provide great service. Great relationship. Create great relationships with clients. That's okay. All right. I'm going to jump back into the video now. We're getting near the end. I'll be back to recall in a little bit. All right, guys, not too much to talk about today. No notes were taken, just Hormozi doing live calls with people, walking them through the AI, walking them through their constraint. That's pretty much it. So short day today. Potentially the last day tomorrow of this workshop, maybe two. So we're nearing the end. That's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See you.